Hello, good evening, guys and girls. Am I audible and visible to all of you? I can see some of you already waiting here. Thank you very much for joining this live. Very happy that you are here today. And soon as all gather, we will start with our discussion. Till then, very good evening to all of you and welcome to this session. Just let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? Quickly let me know so that we can take this session ahead. I can already see 18 of you. Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you all? Quickly let me know in the comment section. Yes, sir. Okay, the first comment comes in. Yes, the first comment comes in. Yes, it is from Swati. Yes, and now I can see the comments coming in. Yes, audible Gunjan says. Fantastic. Okay. So, very good evening once again and welcome to this live. Tell me, why are we here quickly? I'll ask my interactive audience as to why we are here. Let's see. Yes, guys and girls. Yes, I can see Mansi, Sampada, all joining in. Very good. So this is for the first time I am taking such initiative that before starting of the revision batch of yours, I am coming up live and telling you how the batch would be conducted and how you should, yes, go about it. How you should go about studying till the time the batch starts. Okay, and all about the revision batch that you would like to know. Correct. Announcement for December 20 tax revision batch. Correct, Nikhil. So first of all, please quickly let me know in the comment box as to how is your studies going on. From 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, how would you rate your studies as to how is it going on? According to you, according to your expectations, how is it going on the scale of 1 to 10? Quickly let me know. Yes, I'm waiting. Yes, hello Simran, welcome. It's always fantastic to communicate with you all. Yes, 9, fantastic Swati, amazing, amazing. So it will reflect in results. Why 1? Why 1? Okay, we should enhance it. 6, okay. 8, fantastic. 7, okay, someone is giving a point. Nikhil is saying 5.6 if I am not wrong. Then, okay, 1, okay. So that we have to change that 1, okay. We have to change that 1. We have to increase the scale, okay. This same question I am going to ask you post revision batch and the scale should have gone up. That's for sure. Okay. If you are happy from within with your studies, mind you, it will reflect in your exams. It's as simple as that. So for that I have come up with some structure this time wherein we will be starting the revision batch. You all know the dates, so you all only tell me when are we starting the revision batch for tax this time. Yes, not yet. Okay, started. Okay, fine. So you all only tell me that what is the date that we have decided, then I will take you to the whole structure as more and more students join us. Okay, so see, it's already 9:495, so I will tell you in a structured way how to go about it. Especially I am talking about subject of Tax, obviously. I am talking about subject of tax. That's my authority. Correct. Okay. Just 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So as you can see here, we are talking about the tax batch. Yes, and as I am here, I can see 38 of you already joining here for the discussion. So yes, it's a revision batch for December 2020 exam. Okay. See, the dates for this, it's starting from 5th of November. Okay, we are starting from 5th of November. I had taken a lot of feedback from you as to when we should start. So I had, isn't it, I had posted in my, on my Insta, on my WhatsApp, correct, that please give me feedback. So maximum of you told me that it should be between 5th to 23rd of November. Okay, any doubts regarding the dates, any problem regarding the dates, quickly let me know in the comment box. What do you feel about the dates of this revision batch? You must have known how our revision batch goes. Your friends would have given you feedback, obviously. That's why you're watching and connected to me. So yes, is other dates okay with you all? So it's 5th to 23rd of November. Okay, so mind you, in this 5th to 23rd of November, we have Diwali also, isn't it? So many of you would be wondering that what about the Diwali days, correct? What about the Diwali days? Okay, I'm going to take you through how the batch is going to be conducted. So don't worry, Sarath, and yes, don't worry, I'll take you how the batch is going to happen. Yes, you are saying it's perfect, Sonali. Okay, that's good. Okay with that? Okay, fine. See now, so it's between 5th to 23rd, 2020. Of course, there's Diwali in between, and our batch is perfectly in the evening time. Okay, so of course, we will be giving you off for those 4 to 5 days of Diwali. That's why if you observe, actually, we want 15 days to be captured for this revision batch. So what we are doing is, we are taking 15 days between this 5th to 23rd. If this batch would have been on daily basis, it would have come to an end on 19th, isn't it? But because of Diwali, we are extending it till 23rd. So exactly on the Diwali days, we will give you off. Is the point clear? That's why it is between 5th to 23rd of November. Any doubt, any problem regarding that? Quickly let me know in the comment box. Is that fine with you all? The logic is clear to you? I always explain the logic of some provisions, no? So I thought, why not explain you? And then some of you afterwards come with doubts, so it becomes difficult to explain individually. So I thought, let us, come up live and do a video only on that. Fine. So 5th to 23rd, yes, that is clear with all of you. Perfect. You are saying, okay, so no doubt, fine. 5th to 23rd, 4 days Diwali off. So I am specifically saying, yes, absolutely fine, correct. I am specifically saying timings of this live batch would be 7 to 10 in the evening, isn't it? So why in the evening we have selected? Because if you have offices, okay, if you have any other studies, whatever it is, complete it, okay, within the day, and is 7 to 10 evening. For this, whatever 15 days, consistently keep it for tax, correct? Yet to, okay, so consistently please keep it for tax. Fine. And it will be daily 3 hours, and it will be 15 days, so total it will be 45 hours batch. So I have put that live in hashtag. Okay, so I am going to tell you that how the live batch will be conducted. and what if you cannot attend a live batch. All the solutions we have obviously got. Okay. Secondly, the coverage in this batch will be of what? Obviously, entire income tax, because some of you might be totally new to me, so like you don't know exactly how these things are conducted. So let me tell you, because many students at the time of taking video lectures also inquire whether all the aspects will be covered. So let me tell you, even in the revision batch, we'll be covering all aspects of your syllabus, otherwise it is of no use, correct? So we'll be covering GST, customs, income tax as well as international tax, exactly in this sequence we will be covering it. Clear? Okay. What will be the modus operandi of this batch? Okay, so it will be discussion of provisions in short, isn't it? So for example, if we are discussing time of supply, okay, so let me ask you all tax enthusiastic students, what is the section number for time of supply in GST? What are we going to cover in the batch? Yes, I'll tell you. So step by step I'll be discussing it. Yes, I think till the end your doubt will be solved. Yes, exactly for such doubts I am here today. Okay, so quickly tell me, I cannot stop myself without going into technicals. What is the section number for time of supply of goods and time of supply of services? Quickly tell me. Section number. Yes, fantastic. Bhagya Lakshmi, it's 12 and 13 of which act? Of CGST Act, correct? So for example, we start discussing time of supply. Then I will tell you that for time of supply, it is section 12, 13, 14 of CGST Act. For goods, it is 12. For services, it is 13, correct? And for change in rate of GST, it is 14. So this I have told you, correct? Then I will tell you that 12 and 13 has 6 subsections, correct? Maybe of course with diagram I will tell you. So there are 6 subsections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is introduction, 2 is forward charge, 3 is reverse charge, 4 is vouchers, 5 is residuary, 6 is additional consideration by way of interest, isn't it? So I will be talking about this 6 subsections which are common in section 12 and section 13. Then from exam perspective, I will tell you that you should compulsorily do 2 and 3. 2 is forward charge, 3 is reverse charge. Then I will take you through the provisions of subsection 2, then subsection 3. And then 4 I will be telling you is vouchers. Okay, so there are 2 possibilities in vouchers, I will be telling you that. And then we will be going to 6, that is additional consideration. After covering this 12 and 13, we will have a mixed bag questions on 12 and 13, which we will literally solve in the notebook along with proper presentation. Got it? Got this modus operandi? So that's what I have said here, that discussion of provisions in short, okay, wherever required with tables and charts, and then 2 to 3 problems or cases solving in detail, no shortcut. Okay, no shortcut. So what I'm expecting to do is, I'm expecting you to maintain proper notebook for revision batch, correct, which will be a proper about 200 pages notebook. And so you will give the heading time of supply, provisions in short you will write, then you will solve that 2 to 3 problems or cases. Okay, where these problems or cases will be covered from? It will be from past exam papers of CS, obviously CA, CMA, and obviously RTP and MTP, that is revision test paper and mock test paper of ICI. And don't forget, ICSI has issued something called as practice manual. So we will be of course covering from that practice manual also. Okay. And obviously after that, what I'm doing additionally in this revision batch is, I am going to give you on that issue on the same day 1 to 2 problems or cases. For example, we did time of supply and we solved together 2 to 3 problems. Now immediately I am going to give you 2 to 3 problems along with its solution. that is to be done as homework or as self assignment for your self analysis. Is this point clear? I have got a wonderful question bank now. So I don't know whether this is the right time to disclose or not, but I was working on one book, especially for CS professional with a renowned publisher. So I have done a lot of research with respect to past exam. That research always is going on, obviously, but this time, you know, I have gone in more depth, okay, with respect to a lot of past papers and even MTP, RTP, all the things. Clear? So it's about 415 pages of question answers that I've got. So from this repository, we will be doing the questions and answers, okay? So this is modus operandi of the batch. Yes, mode of the batch. How is this batch going to be? So this live batch is going to be on YouTube, okay, plus Zoom. Of course, YouTube private, not public like today. It will be on YouTube private plus Zoom. Okay, so it will be conveyed to you on day-to-day basis on which mode it is. Okay, and it will be very user friendly. Don't worry about that. You all are all techno savvy people, so you will not get any difficulty in that. Okay, any doubts till now that you seem? Any doubts till now? Just quickly let me know. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll be back. Okay. See, you have understood modus operandi. You have understood mode of the batch. So mode of the batch is live. If you cannot attend live, then what? Yes, if you cannot attend live, then what? That would be question in front of many of you. Yes, no? Is that the question? Or the timing is not matching? Is that the question that some of you might be having? I'm quite sure. Please let me know if anyone has such issue of timings or dates. Quickly let me know in the comment box whether you have such issues of dates, timings. Okay. So I don't, okay, yes, Sharat is saying yes. Fine. Then anyone else with, so what we are doing is, we are coming up with option for you live. If you cannot attend live, then you can take recording. Okay, that recording will be available either in Google Drive link. Okay, it will be available either in Google Drive link. I have told you the dates here. Okay, with respect to Google Drive link, it will be available immediately from 6th November, and it will be available in pen drive, and in pen drive it will be available from 24th of November. Clear about this? No sir, it's fine. Okay, what if we missed some class? Okay, unfortunately there is no solution for that. You have to either go for live or you have to go for recorded. We are not keeping the batch blended. Again, we are not keeping the batch blended. Either it is live or it is recorded. Correct? Why so? Why I'm doing so? Because see, if I give live plus recorded, then you know it might happen that some of you skip the live class. You have that in the mind now always, that you know you have that in the mind always, right? That what, even if we miss, we are going to get the recording. So it should not be like that. See, you should dedicate that 7 to 10 come what may for tax for those 15 days. That's what I want. See, when there was a face-to-face batch, there was never such option, right? And students used to attend regularly and do the things. correct? So that's what I want. So I want, suppose 50 of you enroll for the live batch, then I want continuous attendance of those people. Okay, I don't want them to take this for granted. When it is done in this continuous flow, then it will be best. That's why either you can go for live or you can go for recorded. Clear? Fantastic. So I told you my intention also behind that. Okay, so now these are the contact details. If you want any other details about the batch, or if you have any other doubts, so you can ask immediately. Actually, for those doubts only I am here. And for other details, I have given you the WhatsApp or calling number. I have given you mail ID, and of course you have Insta handle, and you know the FB page. Mostly preferable I have kept is WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp or you can call on the number given. Okay, clear? Shall we go ahead? Did you understand? Yes, any other doubt, please let me know. And now one big surprise for you that I have planned. Please, same fees applicable for recorded or pen drive? Okay, very good question, because afterwards this doubt is going to come up. Then, sir, are you providing PDF notes? Okay, or amendments? Okay, with old one. Okay, so what is the difference between question answer session you took? Okay, fantastic. So very good questions. Question answer session which I took, okay, for this June 2020 exams, which unfortunately did not happen, that June 2020 exam did not happen, that question answer batch and revision batch which I took last time, I am blending both the batches. I am actually blending and mixing both the batches. Clear, Priyanka? Got it? I am mixing both the batches this time, because I want every student to go with entire knowledge. Okay, and question answer batch was last time's invention. So it was first time it was happening last time, and that too after revision batch. So now I thought, why not combine both the batches and let every student have advantage of that. Correct? Yes, you will be getting PDF of the notes. Okay, and there are not much amendments with respect to GST. So anyways, so I'll be giving notes for whatever it is. You'll be getting notes, that's for sure. Yes, for pen drive, the fees question, the fees for the batch is 1500 flat, 1500. Of course, you all are GST students, so including GST. Yes, thanks Priyanka, she is saying that it was very useful. Only one clarification, thanks. Only one clarification, that if you are taking pen drive, then of course that pen drive cost you will have to bear. Otherwise, you might take in cloud, that is Google Drive link, or you might take live batch, the fees are same 1500. Okay, only if you are going for pen drive, then for that pen drive you have to incur that extra cost. Okay, then one surprise for you is this. You can take screenshot of this, what we are going to do, and you can let your friends also know about it, that please do attend this. This is upcoming YouTube live for you all, that is planned every Thursday from now on, okay, of this month, that is 15th, 22nd, 29th October. These 3 remaining Thursdays of this month, we are coming up with YouTube live for, especially for you all, that will include, okay, past papers, important questions or discussions and its solving. Okay, so there are some critical questions, some frequently asked questions. So it will be 9 to 10:30 in the night. That is same time as we are meeting today, 9 o'clock. Clear? Any doubt in this? Superb. Oh, thanks Priyanka, thank you for that. So please do attend that. That is open for all. By the way, these 3 sessions are absolutely open for all. Yes, my pleasure. Yes, you are asking, is it? And see here, don't feel awkward why I'm, pushing myself like this, because I have to read the comments. Is this session for students who have already completed one reading only? Okay, fantastic question by, okay, Shravya. Ideally, you should have completed one reading, but it's okay if you have completed first reading 75% or something, because some things you can do post revision. Getting it? For example, you have not yet done international tax transfer pricing, which is critical, and you are not understanding it. So you can keep it pending for revision batch. In the revision batch, maybe it will click to you, okay, as to how things are done in that transfer pricing, and then you can revise that. Clear? So don't leave 100% on me for the revision batch. Obviously, don't leave 100% conceptual understanding on me for the revision batch. That is obvious, no? Okay, so but 1-2 doubts, okay, here and there you don't understand the things, that's why you have kept it pending. Absolutely acceptable. Okay, it's only for this month or other months also. Okay, this YouTube live is only for this month, because from next month we will be engaged in the revision batch from 5th to 23rd. So it will not be possible maybe next month, but these Thursdays I had time, so I said why not utilize it at this juncture for you all. Clear? Now so I hope you have taken screenshot of this important thing. Okay, yes, it will be very, thank you. Yes, it is going to be trying to bring important questions to you. And now I am again open for your questions, if any, and if you don't have, then slowly, steadily we can come to end. You ask your questions. Okay, Priyanka has asked a big question. Okay, thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for the great compliments. We did the same way for our question answer batch also, sir. Post revision we studied, we understood. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for your valuable inputs. Thanks. Yes, any questions? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm still waiting 2 minutes for your questions, if any. And till that, there's something which struck me today. Let me take you through that. You always know that something or the other I keep on telling you. Okay, because I know the mindset through which all the professional students especially go. So this is something what clicked to me today, that you struggle for what determines you achieve what. Means, guys, not only about tax, but while studying for any subject, or while going through this journey of studies, where you have 9 subjects, some of you have 6 subjects, some of you have 3 subjects, whatever it is, plus you are doing articleship, maybe offices, okay, managing household course, many of you. So obviously in that phase, somewhere, I know the journey should be smooth, but somewhere you feel that you are struggling. But don't worry about that, because let me guarantee you, you are struggling for good thing. Just keep on telling you that you are struggling for something good. Because see, if you were doing some ordinary course, then the struggle wouldn't have been this much. Correct? But if you are facing struggle, if you are not facing, fantastic. But to some extent, let me tell you, you should face. Isn't it? You should get that positive tension. Correct? Even the student who has studied a lot should get that positive tension. Okay, so I am just trying to tell you that your achievement post exams is going to be enormous. You are going to be company secretary, or if you are giving a particular single module, you are going to go one step ahead in your dream, in your desire. So please appreciate the struggle which is happening right now. That's why what I'm saying, you struggle for what determines you achieve what. Correct? Getting it? So higher the struggle, higher is the achievement. Okay, or I would say, okay, higher the mountain, better is the view. It's like that. Okay, I'm getting some questions. I'll just answer those questions. Are you taking regular batches for December 2020? Yes, I'm not taking actually, but they are there recorded in pen drive and Google Drive mode. So please contact on the numbers given. Okay, I gave you some number, contact on that, or there is one number in the bottom, check. You can contact on those numbers for that. Okay. Sir, the question isn't relevant to revision class, but should we study for module from institute or the book from Zest Academy is enough? Very good. Our notes are sufficient, especially handwritten notes. If you have handwritten notes, then no issue. You are covering 80 to 90% of the syllabus. Being very honest, okay, I'll be very honest, no one can cover 100% syllabus. If I ask you some penalty from somewhere, will you be able to answer? Okay, so obviously what we are doing is covering 90 to 95% of the things. Okay, it's that it kills 99.9% germs. It's like that. Solution is never 100%. No one can guarantee, especially in a vast, tax subject. Sir, what is the last date to pay for this revision batch? Okay, we have never been so hard on these things. So you can, as per your convenience, till the batch starts. But I will announce that admissions are open. Yes. Fine. Any other doubt? I'm waiting for you. Otherwise, from my end, it's a thank you to all of you. See you when? Quickly tell me in the comment box when we will meet next. Quickly tell me in the comment box. And yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Kindly subscribe to the channel on which you are watching this video, that is CA Pratik Neve, so that whenever we hold such type of live sessions, you are a part of it. And one more thing, we have already put up about 53 videos on different issues in tax. Okay, do watch them. I'll quickly in 1 minute tell you what all videos we have put up with respect to taxation, which might help you. Yes, Swati is correct. We are meeting on 15th October. Correct, perfect. What all videos I have put on this channel, I'll quickly tell you. I have put up some videos on place of supply. I have put up some videos on valuation of GST, one video actually. Then, so on such random topics which are critical in your syllabus, you will find videos on this channel. So quickly tell me in the comment, have you subscribed to the channel? Quickly tell me in the comment, have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do subscribe for your benefit. Okay, otherwise always telling you all that there is going to be live becomes difficult. Okay, with this pandemic, we have started using technology well. So this is, otherwise I had never pushed on this YouTube channel and all, but now there is no option. So we have to do the things in this way. It becomes easy to reach to all of you easily. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. I am signing off. See you on 15th October as decided. And please let your friends also know for whom you think that these sessions will be helpful. Thank you very much.